Hi guys, so welcome to this week's video. This week the plan is to repoint this back wall, so I have to prepare it. So I'm going to put some protection down. We've got some plants that are now starting to grow, so I'm going to try and put some sort of frame over them so that the bits that I sort of knock off don't damage them, but also that I don't stand on them and damage them as well. So I'm going to put a bit of a frame there, put some tarpaulin down so that I can pick all the rubbish up, and then I'll obviously rake out in between the stones ready for pointing tomorrow. So today's all the prep work and hopefully tomorrow I'll get pointing. Let's get going and clearing this area. So just in the corner here, we have our outlets for our fosse septique. Now, as you can see, they just run up there. Now, the one that's closest to the window is actually causing us a bit of an issue because the idea is we want to try and put a blind or some sunshade basically going over the window, and that's kind of in our way. So we had a fosse septique expert come round and advise what we can do. And he's basically said we can kind of reroute that sort of browner pipe and take it kind of round the side there, up the window and kind of up this side instead. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to cut all the things, measure it all, get it all ready and in place, and then I'll glue it together. Garden this week, and one of the things I've got to try and do is build some teepees for our runner beans and peas and things like that. So I'm just cutting the wood to size and building a sort of triangle teepee where we'll plant the plants. There we are, all the teepees are up and looking good, and we've now planted plants around them, or seeds, so hopefully they'll all grow and give us lots of food. So looking forward to have to keep watering them. It's obviously a nice sunny day, so we've watered them in and we'll probably water them in again this evening. But I'm really happy with that. Now I'm going to sit and relax and enjoy some of this sun. There we are, guys. Thank you very much for watching this week's video. Next week we're going to be creating a herb spiral, so make sure you click our logo to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell to be notified of our next videos. But thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you next week. Cheers, guys. Bye.